Patricia, sinabi ni Atty. Allen na ikaw pumatay kay Meredith.
Of course not. Hindi ko alam kung ano sinasabi ni Lilette o ni Attorney Allen. This is absurd! Naniniwala talaga kayo doon sa sinungaling na Rena na yon? Aarestuhin niyo ako dito? Do you even have a warrant of arrest? I thought so. No case? Obviously, no warrant.
Pero meron ho kaming formal invitation for your appearance sa police station. At meron din ho kaming valid na immigration lookout bulletin order issued by the DOJ. Tita Patricia, your name is now flagged in the Bureau of Immigration database. Any attempt to leave the country at this very moment without further thorough investigation the Immigration Office would be a direct violation of that order.
What? No! Tell your source, who by the way is a murderer, not to drag me into his lies. Tayo na, Ramir. Nag-aaksaya lang tayo dito ng oras.
Tay, wala namang sigurong mawawala kung kusa na lang sasama sa amin si Tita Patricia for questioning sa presinto. Kung talagang wala siyang kasalanan, malaya naman ho siyang makakaalis eh.
Ramir,
Patricia.
Ramir, huwag ka na makinig sa anak mo. Tayo na, umalis na lang tayo dito. Please, do something.
Sandali lang, Patricia. Kung wala ka talaga kinalaman sa mga nangyayari, bakit di na muna tayo sumama sa Immigration Office o di kaya sa presinto? Nasama kami.
Domingo. Sige na.
Huwag niyo nga akong hahawakan. Hindi niyo kailangan hilain. Sasama ako ng kusa.
Na-confirm ko na sa mga contacts ko sa airport. Immigration has been informed and there's a delay order for further investigation issued against Patricia.
Ah, sweet sound of progress. Isang malit na tagumpay, Alex. Pero umpisa pa lang to sa lahat ng mga pinaplano ko.
Well, don't celebrate too much. Dahil lang nakipag-cooperate ka para mahuli siya, it doesn't mean na erase yun sa'yo. You still have a lot of serious charges to face, Renan.
I know, Alex. I know. I know I'm gonna rot in this place for quite some time. But hey, why rot alone, right? If I'm going down, I'm taking her with me.